After launching the Qt Design Studio, click the Create Project button. After clicking the button, the project wizard will load. On the left side, we have some presets. Under the General tab, there are two options, Empty and 3D. The Empty template will create one default screen, which we will use in this course. The 3D template contains a properly structured 3D view with everything you need to start working in 3D. Later on, we will start with this template. There are also unique templates for MCUs, mobile, and desktop. MCU means microcontroller unit, which is a small computer used, for example, in remote controls or embedded systems. Later, you can learn more about that, as well. Let's begin by selecting the empty template. In the Details section, you can choose where the project is located on your computer by clicking on the three dots. Select the folder that you want to use. Give your project a name. You can also use the checkbox and define your selected folder as a default project location. Each new project you make will end up in the same place. You can select the screen dimensions you want for your project in the drop-down menu. In this course, we will use the default Full HD. At this point, you might wonder what to select if you want your project to be responsive. Later, you will learn how to create a responsive design. You could also customize the dimensions and select a different orientation. We use the landscape orientation in this project, which is the default. In this project, you won't be needing Qt Virtual Keyboard, so leave this unchecked. In the following menu, you can select the target Qt version. We are currently supporting Qt version 6, which is the default selection. Leave this selection on. We recommend you always use version 6 for new projects. Qt Quick Controls have certain built-in styles, which you can select from the Style section. I will choose the default style, but you can also explore other options. Now we have set up our project and are ready to create it. Click Create.